Yeah, Troy Lee, I mean, man, I owe Troy my entire career. Yeah, I've just found a home there. It's been almost 15 years now with the Troy Lee brand, so it's just something that's really special to me, and something that, you know, this is like a once in a lifetime thing. You know, you get brand loyalty, but to have it last this long, I just feel you know, it would be wrong to venture elsewhere. I've had opportunities, but Troy's always treated me right and made sure I'm happy. You know, not just Troy, everybody behind him too. It's just a really good company to be behind. And I was thinking the other day, like, you know, not only does this stuff look good, but Troy cares so much about the safety of the sport and making sure that that technology is going in the right direction, and making sure that that's applied to his, you know, helmets and gloves, and, you know, the way that the pants and the jersey and everything fits. It's just, he doesn't, I think he wouldn't sleep at night if knowing that his helmet wasn't the safest one on the shelves. And you know, it helps guys like me sleep at night knowing that, you know, I get to strap on, you know, the safest helmet and the best gear and the best looking stuff, and not only at that. So being a part of that brand has been a dream come true for me, and, you know, I love those guys. They're like family to me nowadays.